Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the game is updated and you're signed in. This avoids mismatched versions. Once done, verify your network is stable because server switches depend on latency. Now open Bus Simulator Ultimate, tap the Settings gear, and choose the Server or Region menu. You do this first so the game can list available servers and their pings. This prevents wasted joins. Make sure to note your current server name in case you want to revert. You'll now pick the optimal server by comparing ping and player count. Lower ping reduces lag. After you tap the target region, press Join or Change and confirm any asset downloads the game requires. While assets download, avoid switching apps to prevent interruptions and watch for progress bar. If it stalls, pause and resume. Once download completes, the client will sync player data. This middle stage is about letting the game fetch content and establishing a fresh connection. You finish by loading into a short route or multiplayer lobby to confirm the server change. This verifies spawn points and vehicle sync. If you encounter errors or high lag, clear the app cache and restart your device, then try switching again. Make sure the game and your OS are compatible. Mismatched versions cause join failures. As a last resort, reinstall the app because that resets corrupted files. This troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent connection problems without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.